Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a video on your YouTube channel. So to delete your YouTube channel video, firstly open any browser, then type YouTube on search bar, and also you can type youtube.com. Now click on this profile icon and in here click on YouTube Studio. It need sign in processor, so complete sign in processor. Then in this interface click on videos. Now you will find a list of videos which you uploaded before. So to delete any video on this YouTube channel, select that video. So check this box to select, and if you want to delete all videos, so select here. So you can see we selected all videos, and also you can select any particular video which you want to delete, like this one. Then click on more action. So click here this drop down and click on delete forever. And if you want to download this video before delete, so click on download. So this video is downloaded and it's located on your PC. Now click on delete forever. If you are sure to delete that video, so check this box, then click on delete forever. Now refresh that page. So as we can see, that video is deleted. That's it. So like this you can delete any video on your YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.